Hi everybody, I'm Hector Garcia, CPA. This video is for my colleagues, fellow bookkeepers, accountants, CPAs, tax preparers, accounting professionals looking for new and creative ways that they can price their services so they can, one, stand out above everybody else, and second, tie in those services to the value you truly create to your customers. So on June 4th and 5th, I will be in New York City teaching this workshop called Price Confidently. This is based on a 3-day event we did last year in Miami at Reframe 2025 Pricing with Confidence. This Price Confidently 1.5-day event is for smaller groups. We're going to have a maximum of 24 accounting firm owners. We are right above Penn Station. So whether you live in New York City or are within a train ride distance, it's super convenient. And we teach a very simple 4-step framework. Number 1, how to create value and build trust prior to having that pricing conversation. So your customers already come in confident that you can provide value for them. 2, how to have a value conversation, something I've been particularly successful at, which is breaking down the components and the elements that your customer really truly values, right? They don't truly value the tax return or the bookkeeping service. They value some other outcome that comes from doing those services. And the idea is to understand how to have that conversation with your client, how to extract that piece of information, how to understand how much that's worth to them. So then when you anchor your services, you help them reach those goals, but you anchor those services around that value that you create. The third piece of the puzzle here is different tiers, different service packages. So your customer can choose not whether or not they'll work with you, but how they will work with you. And giving them 3 options that offer a lower end option that helps them reach their goals, but maybe not so quickly, or maybe not in the exact way that they want it. And then maybe a high tier option that not just helps them reach their goals, but a little bit plus, a little bit extra, and you would be all in that customer and help them get to that level super quickly. And then something somewhere in the middle. So we'll teach you how to build those 3-tier offerings that tie to that value conversation, that tie to that trust and value you created prior to talking to that client. And the 4th piece of the puzzle here is how to deal with objections, how to deal with pushback. Your customers are going to give you pushback on price increases. They're going to give you pushback on the pricing of your services if they came with a different expectation. They're going to give you a pushback on whether or not your services are worth it in the age of AI, where ChatGPT and Claude seem to do some of the work that we're doing. But you and I, accounting professionals, we know that it kind of does it, but it doesn't do it accurately. So how to manage those conversations? And my brother, who's an Exactly What to Say certified guide, will walk you through how to use these communication techniques so you can take control of that conversation. And if your customer is going to give you pushback, it needs to be for real, legitimate reasons. Anyway, make the effort. Come to New York City, June 4th and 5th. This is the only workshop like this that we will teach this year prior to a big event in Miami where we're going to talk about advisory. So if you want to learn how to price your services, learn different ways, creative ways to present your value, don't miss this. I'll see you in New York City in June.